Video we are going to see about how to transform the text to speech using a Python. So for that we are going to use the Python module called PyTTSX3. So it is nothing but the Python text to speech module. So for that we are going to first we have to import the module, and again we have to initialize the Python module so that we can use all these functions say and run and wait. So for that we are going to initialize the Python text to speech module. So again the next is going to be a text, so we need to feed the text that we would like to transform to speech. So again the next time we are going to inject the text to the engine. So at last we are going to call the engine using the run and wait. So it will run and wait until a speech get completed. So I'm going to run this file so you would get a better idea on that.
Hello and all, welcome with Vlog with Dave. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.
Hope you would listen the voice.